Hey traders, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to my channel. Let's go into the chart of the /USDT. In this video, I will show you how I make profit from crypto trading. I'm a crypto spot trader. I buy coins on lower price and sell them on higher price. This is called spot trading. Now let's take a look into the chart. The time now is 16th March, 14th o'clock. And the current price of this coin is 0.37 USDT. After analyzing, I am seeing a strong opportunity of pumping this coin into 0.40 USDT. Now let's set a target in 0.40 USDT. I trade spot without any stop loss. This is a part of my strategy. After 13 hours on March 17th, the price hits my target. This coin gained over 10% in just 13 hours. This means that if someone invested 100K in it, they would get 10% of it, means 10K in just 13 hours. If you want to make profits from crypto trading, contact with me on Telegram. Telegram link in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, subscribe my channel.